Yes, sir, you called me.
Yeah, I was asking, how are you?
I'm fine, sir, thank you.
Any doubt from the last class that we did?
No, sir.
You revised it? No, sir. Revise the previous class notes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, yes. Okay. Circuits having plane of symmetry. एक तो था vertical वाला कुछ something. Then there is a perpendicular plane of symmetry. So I'm just taking few example again to check whether you remember it or not. And you need to identify how to solve. I mean, how to choose as a horizontal plane of symmetry or vertical plane of symmetry. Which method we will use? Right. Find the equivalent capacitance between A and B. Find the equivalent capacitance between A and B. Each capacitance is C. So in this case, obviously there is no horizontal plane of symmetry. There is a vertical plane of symmetry. अगर हम ऐसे ही सर्किट नीचे भी बना लेते हैं, exactly same. We did. Solve it. Find the equivalent capacitance between point A and B. So which circuit we'll use? We'll use the vertical plane of symmetry. Vertical plane of symmetry. This is the vertical plane of symmetry. If there is a capacitor lying on plane of symmetry, that is removed. If there is a junction lying on plane of symmetry, that can be opened and shifted along the plane. इसको ऊपर, इसको नीचे. That will be the circuit. So we did such case. This is the combination of the two examples that we did. This is a kind of example. So we can open here, we can open here, and then these will be the circuit connections. These vertical capacitors will be removed because they lie on plane of symmetry. If any capacitor lies on plane of symmetry, that is removed. If any junction lies on plane of symmetry, that can be opened and shifted along the plane. This was the concept. Find the capacitance. कितना है इसका equivalent capacitance? आप पहले एक्चुअल सर्किट बना के फिर ये वाला सर्किट बनाएंगे. हमने ऐसे एग्जांपल किए थे, but that was yeah. Please solve and find if each capacitance is C, what will be its equivalent value? Yes. What is the value of equivalent capacitance? Rahul, what's the answer?
5/6C.
How much?
5/6C.
5/6. Rahul,
Yeah, yes sir, 1 second. Sir, मैं solve ही कर रहा हूँ.
सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. ये C और C ऊपर वाले सीरीज में C/2. मेहर, what is your answer? Meher, C. Okay. Isha, what is your answer? ऊपर का C/2, नीचे का C/2, दोनों पैरेलल में, that becomes C. Here C and C in series becomes C/2. The lower branch is exactly same as the upper branch. We did one such question. C in series C/3. In the middle one, it was C/2, only 2 in series. And the third one, C in series becomes C/3. These three are in parallel, C/3, C/2, and C/3, which becomes. I know your answer was something else, I guess.
I got 5/6C.
This is getting 7C/6.
Oh, sorry, I must have made a calculation error in the same expression as. Yes, a 4 plus 3 will be 7, not 5.
Very nice. Okay. So ये था vertical symmetry. Similarly, एक और example देख लेते हैं for the horizontal plane of symmetry. Horizontal plane of symmetry is little more tricky. Circuit having, I don't know, we might have done this question. I'm not pretty sure. But just for the दो तरह की सिमेट्री थी, हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकल सिमेट्री, और भी कई तरह की हैं. वी विल डू इट लाइक 3D सिमेट्री, डायगोनल सिमेट्री. Did we do this example last class? We must have done similar. Yes. This was the concept we did last class. कि सर्किट में अगर मिड पॉइंट से पास होने वाली परपेंडिकुलर सिमेट्री है, उसके ऊपर की कैपेसिटर को हम हटा सकते हैं, उसके ऊपर के जंक्शन को हम ओपन करके साइड में डिस्प्लेस कर देते हैं. Yes, each capacitance is C. Calculate the value of equivalent capacitance between A and B. बेटा मेहर समझ आ रहा है? मेहर, मेहर, मेहर. Okay, very nice. Arnav, how to do this?
So we'll first draw a horizontal plane of symmetry through AB.
Okay. Then,
Then sir वो जो mirror image points हैं वो tag कर देंगे.
okay, connect a battery between A and B. Did we do this exactly same question last class? I don't remember.
No, so but we did a very similar one.
Similar one. Okay. So there is a horizontal plane of symmetry. This is the plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry को अगर हम mirror assume कर लें, then mirror images are at same point. So these are same potential. These two are at same potential. They both can be considered as 2 and 2. And now we'll draw this circuit. There are two more points left. Let's take this as 3 and this as 4. A and B at the ends. 1, 2, थोड़ा बड़ा कर लेते हैं. Take A and B at the ends. 1, 2, 3 and 4. A to 1, how many capacitors? A to 1, how many capacitors?
One on each side.
Huh?
One on each side.
So the total 2. 1 on each side means there will be 2 capacitors. Between 1 to 3, between 1 to 3, again there are 2 capacitors. 1 to 3 and 1 to 3. 3 to 4, nothing. 3 is connected to A by 1 capacitor. 3 is connected to A by 1 capacitor. Okay, so that means we should little modify this circuit. एक मिनट, इसकी पॉइंट की नंबरिंग थोड़ी बेटर कर लेते हैं. A, B, 1, 2, 3 and 4. A और 1 के बीच में गए 3, 2 और B के बीच में 4. This will be a better looking circuit. A to 1 there are 2 capacitors. A to 1 there are 2 capacitors. एक ये ऊपर का और एक नीचे का. 1 to 3 there are 2 capacitors. 1 to 3 there are 2 capacitors. एक ऊपर एक नीचे का. A to 3 there is another capacitor. 1 to 2 there are 2 capacitors. 1 to 2 there are 2 capacitors. एक ऊपर का 1 to 2, एक नीचे का 1 to 2. Similarly, 2 to B there are 2 capacitors. 2 to B there are 2 capacitors. 2 to 4 there are 2 capacitors. And 4 to B there is 1 capacitor. This becomes the actual circuit by using the horizontal plane of symmetry method, taking this plane as a mirror. If we assume mirror at this point, the mirror image points are at same potential. And now you can easily solve this circuit.
Can you explain this again?
Sure. This is the horizontal plane of symmetry.
Yes,
Horizontal
sir.
plane of symmetry, the mirror images are at same potential. So this is 1. So the lower side also be at the same potential. This is 2. This will also be same potential. Now what we did, we redraw the circuit by the numbering method. Each terminal we number. A and B at the ends. A and B are at the terminals. 1, 1 at the top. 2, 2. This is 2 and 2 is at the bottom. And there are 2 more junctions. A left, one is named as 3, other is named as 4. Now we have to redraw the circuit by taking A and B at the ends.
Yes, sir.
And then points little symmetrically we should choose. A is connected to 1, so toward the side of A is 1. On the side of B, 2. And A is connected to 3 as well, so 3 in between. Similarly, B and 2 is connected to 4, so 4 is somewhere here in between. Now take each capacitor one by one. This is suppose first capacitor. First capacitor is between A to 1, A to 1. Second capacitor between A to 1. A to 1 there are 2 capacitors. These two will be in parallel because they are connected between the same points. 1 to 3. 1 to 3 there is 1 capacitor. 1 to 3 there are other two second capacitor. 1 to 3 also there are 2 capacitors. A to 3 there is only 1. A to 3 there is only 1 capacitor. Now
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, there is another capacitor of. Similarly 2 to B and 2 to 4. 2 to B, B to 4, B to 4 there is only 1. Find its equivalent capacitance. अब ये simple सा circuit है कुछ. Yes. C and C parallel become 2C. 2C and C in series become 2C by 3. C ऊपर वाला तो आ गया 2C by 3. और नीचे C and C in parallel that become 2C. अपने आप करो, कोई नहीं, ये सिंपल सर्किट है. Quickly get the answer. भरत, मेहर, प्रणय.
Yes, sir. Two.
Yes, anyone got the answer? Suzanne, you understood how to solve? Suzanne? Suzanne? क्या यार आज का रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रहा है. Okay. Same right side में भी आ जाएगा 2C and C in series and parallel with this. Arnav, what's the answer?
मेरा 4/5 आ रहा है.
So 4 by 5.
Okay. 2C by 3 plus 2C, so it becomes 8C by 3. First branch is 8C by 3. And these three are in series then. One upon C current is 3 by 8C plus 1 upon C, 1 upon 2C. So that becomes 10 upon 8C or 4 upon 5. Rahul,
Yes,
got the
sir.
answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mihir, mic not working. What happened? Mihir? यार 10 तो लोग हैं, उसकी में भी बात नहीं करते. Fine.
Can you explain the logic behind how we do horizontal circuits again?
Because the vertical symmetry is not of any use, there is no capacitor, there is no junction. We start with that vertical only. If vertical is helping, then we could have done that also. But
No
neither
sir,
any
कि जो आपने ऐसे A to B करके जो बीच में से points बनाए थे वो किस उसके पीछे logic क्या है? Because I can't find it in my notes.
See, A is connected to 1 and 1, and then 1 is connected to 2. So we should choose 1 between A and 2. You are asking the logic, how do we place these points?
Yes sir.
Yes, so actually I didn't notice initially that 3 is connected only to 1, both the sides. So it's better that 3 should be taken between A and 1 symmetrically in a separate path.
Okay. Sir.
Similarly here 4 is connected only to 2 and B. So you take 2 and B and 4 should be somewhere in between.
Okay. So it's because 3 is not connected to 4.
I mean, it's not necessary that you do like this only. You could have taken in the same line as well. But 3 should be between A and 1.
Okay sir.
Initially the one that I read, I took A, 1, 2 and then 3, 4. That will be a little complicated.
Yes, sir.
And circuit will become some twisted. You won't be able to see series and parallel. So symmetry wise, you should take which ones are connected together. A is connected to 3 first and then to 1. Likewise 2 and then 4. Even also in this case, you can connect the same circuit. A to 3, how many capacitors? 1. 3 to 1, how many capacitors? 2. A to 1, how many capacitor? 2. Maybe one from the top, from the bottom. 2 to 1 to 2, how many capacitor? 2. 2 to 4, how many capacitor? 2. 4 to B, how many capacitor? 1. And 2 to B is 1. If you can find out, it is exactly the same circuit.
Yes, sir.
Right. So we did horizontal planar symmetry, vertical planar symmetry, and understood how to solve. Last class we did this concept, and today we did the questions. Next is circuits having extra connecting wires. Second special circuit. The circuits having extra connecting wires. So there are capacitors, many capacitors connected in the series. If suppose they are just connected in this line, they all are in series only. But now we use some more extra wires and connected somewhere in between them. Now we have to find the equivalent capacitance of this circuit. Right? Logic hai, the points which are connected by wire always at same potential. So if this is A, this will also become A only because they are at same potential. B is not connected to anywhere, so that will not be B. This become 1, suppose, then the left side will also become 1 because they both are connected by wires. The points connected by wires are always at same potential. The points connected by wire are at same potential. Right? Points connected by wire become at same potential, तो उनको same point use कर लेंगे. And then we use the numbering method. After doing the numbering, we will start redrawing the circuit, taking endpoints A and B and midpoint as 1. Draw this circuit capacitors one by one. First capacitor is between A and 1, and there are two capacitors C and C in series. And then between 1 and A, and third is between A to 1. Again, there are two capacitors C and C in series. And then 1 to B. This is the actual circuit. Calculate the value of equivalent capacitance in this circuit. It was not clear in the original diagram. Understood this method?
So can you explain this again?
Once more. The wires which are connected, the 2 points connected together by wire, there should not be any capacitor connected in this wire, or always at same potential. And since they are at same potential, they can be considered as the same point for the circuit. If they are considered as same point for the circuit, they can be given as same number.
Yes, sir.
Now take A and B at the end point and one in between. One in between, and then redraw the circuit. A to 1, these two C and C in series. 1 to A, another C. A to 1, then another C and C in series. And the last 1 to B, there is one capacitor of C1. Right? What's the answer?
2C/3.
2C by 3. Two C by 3. Circuits in a circuit, if 2 points are connected together by wire, they commit same potential. They become same potential. They will be considered same point in the circuit. Redraw the circuit and find its equivalent capacitance. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is next example. So I'm just giving one more example for you to solve. 2, 3 more examples on this method. Find the capacitance between A and B if each capacitor is C. Yes. Should I help?
No, sir. 1 minute.
Bharat,
Yes,
Ishaq,
sir.
you understood what to do? These 2 points are same, so we can take 1 and 1. These 2 points are same, we can take 2 and 2. And this is connected to B only. This point can be taken as B. Hmm. What's the answer? Bharat, what is your answer?
Uh, 13/20.
So we have to take 1 and 2 in between. There are 2 points. First capacitor between A and 1. First capacitor is between A and 1. Second capacitor is between 1 to 2. Third capacitor is between 2 to 1. And then fourth is between 1 to B. And then 2 to B. And then 2 to B. There are 2 capacitors in series. Did you get the same circuit? Rahul, Bharat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. कर रहे हो या बस सिर्फ yes sir बोल देते हो? What's the answer, Bharat? You have to tell.
Hmm.
Yes, what is the answer? Bharat,
Sir, I'm calculating.
should not take that much time, by the way. C and C in series, how much? Okay, calculate with me. C and C in series, how
Okay,
much, Bharat?
that 2 by C.
Huh? What?
Since they're in, you're asking how much capacitance?
C and C in series, how much? C and C in series, how much it will become?
2 divided by C.
2 divided by C is 1 by C equivalent. This is C by 2.
C by 2. Okay.
2 divided by C is not the value of C equivalent, it's 1 upon C equivalent. And then this C by 2 is in parallel with C. C by 2 and C in parallel, how much?
Parallel. 3C by
3C by 2. Here C and C in parallel become 2C. C and C
the
by 2 in
rest is
parallel.
easy, sir. I can solve it.
But you are taking a lot of time. Solve it quickly. Is it correct till now? Okay. There is no time नहीं अपने पास. 2C and 3C by 2 in series, how much? 2C and 3C by 2, Kriti, how much in series? 2C and 3C by 2 in series.
6 by 7.
5 by 6.
5 by 6?
Yes, sir.
No, I don't think so.
6 by 7.
2C and 3C in series.
So 6 by
Right. 60 by 7.
2 and 3.
One upon C equivalent is 1 upon 2C divided by 2 upon 3C.
Should not it be 1 by 3?
What 1 by 3?
So instead of 2 by 3. Here.
So 3C by 2, no? C by 2 and C in parallel.
Okay, so
It is 7 by 6.
Then, sir, can you allow me to annotate?
Yes, yes. Do it fast. You are wasting time. 60 by 7 and C in series, how much? Sorry, in
Yeah, that's
parallel.
what I'm saying. So that's 30. So that gives 13C by 7.
Yeah, 13C by 7 and 13C by 7 is in series with C. 13C by 7 is in series with C.
20 by 30. 13C.
तुम एक ही गलती कर रहे हो. You are not taking the inverse. Bharat,
Oh,
when
I
you
had to
apply,
take inverse.
when you take, that's why I told you another formula. You should directly use C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2 if you forget all the time by taking the inverse. This is 1 by C equivalent, that is 20 by 13C. The equivalent is 13C by 20. Rana, is it correct?
Yes, sir. मेरा भी यही है.
Okay, very good. Meher, Rahul, got the answer? Meher, यार कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा, क्या चक्कर है? बेटा ऐसे थोड़ी होती क्लास. Meher, कौन गया? Someone is gone. Very nice. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next is a third type of circuit.
Can we do another
Combinate-
example like this first?
More examples?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. More examples. ईशा समझ में आ रहा है? कुछ तो बोल दिया करो. ईशा, you understood the last question?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Find the equivalent capacitance between A and B in the following circuit. Yes, yes. So if you put the name, this is A, this will become 1, this will become 1 because they're connected together. This will also become 1, this will also become B.
Six by five.
Yes, what is the answer?
6 by 5.
6 by
5.
5. Okay. Enough?
Yes, I'm still doing it.
C. You understood these points are connected together by the wire, so we took 1, 1, 1 at 3 different points,
Yes.
and the last was at B. Between A to 1, so A, B, and one more point will be 1. A to 1, how many capacitors, Rahul? Rahul?
Yes, sir. Sir, 2.
2. Right. This one and this one. And this capacitor, the lower capacitor is between the same point, 1 to 1.
So that's useless, sir.
That's useless, that will be short circuited, yes. And then 1 to B, there are 3 capacitors. This capacitor, which both terminals are connected together, is called short circuited, and that will not draw any charge from the circuit. It can be removed. This is short circuit. So 2C and 3C. 2C and 3C. Two capacitors in parallel become 2C, 3 capacitors in parallel become 3C. Then 2C and 3C both will be in series. Will become 60
60 by
by 5.
5.
Right. Next case, number third. Third special circuit. Combination of parallel plates connected together by wire. अभी हम किसी सर्किट में कुछ पॉइंट्स को वायर से कनेक्ट कर रहे थे. नेक्स्ट केस इज combination of parallel plates metallic plates obviously connected together by wires. So instead of a circuit, now there are multiple plates. Let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 plates. Each plate has area A, and the gap between the two plates is equal to D. Each plate area is capital A, and the separation between the plate is D. So अब इसमें जो plates हैं हमने plates को आपस में connect कर रखा है with the help of some of the wires, extra wires. Plate number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Suppose plate 1 is connected to 3 as well as 6. Plate 2 is connected to 4 as well as 7. And we have to connect battery between A and B. Find the
So you're still neutral.
Yeah, sorry, a parent called. Right, so इसमें क्या हो रहा है, ये कुछ similar type का केस है, but situation थोड़ी different है. Situation यहाँ पे क्या है, there are 7 plates. सारी plate का area same है, उनके बीच में gap same है. So the gap between any two plate will act like a capacitor of capacitance epsilon naught A by D. ये किसी भी एक gap का capacitance है. Now ऐसे कितने कैपेसिटर बन गए, अगर हमने 7 प्लेट ली, then there are how many gaps? There are 6 gaps. So ultimately there are 6 capacitors और जिनका कनेक्शन थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. वन प्लेट 1 इज कनेक्टेड टू 3 इज कनेक्टेड टू 6. इसलिए मैंने ए को 1 3 और 6 ले लिया बिकॉज ऑल दीज 3 प्लेट्स आर कनेक्टेड टू पॉइंट ए. इन सब का पोटेंशियल एक इक्वल होगा. दे ऑल विल बी कंसीडर्ड एज सेम. ए टू बी. अब जैसे ये है 1 to 2, तो पहला कैपेसिटर पहला गैप कहाँ पे? वन प्लेट 1 और प्लेट 2 के बीच में. प्लेट 1 इज हियर ए के पास और प्लेट 2 इज एट बी. सेकंड इज बिटवीन 2 to 3, between 2 to 3, then 3 to 4, 3 to 4, then 4 to 5. अब 5 प्लेट किसी से कनेक्टेड है, तो इसलिए 5 को हमने बीच में ले लिया. 4 है बी की तरफ और 5 बीच में. 4 to 5, 5 to 6, and then 6 to 7. Each capacitor has capacitance C, which is epsilon naught A by D. Yes, is that clear?
Yes.
क्या आंसर?
9 epsilon naught A by
All the plates which are connected together, उनको हम एक साथ रखेंगे ग्रुप करके. So plate A is group of 1 3 and 6. B is connected to 2 4 and 7, and 5 was not connected to anywhere. 5 को हमने बीच में ले लिया, separate point. First capacitor between 1 to 2, then between 2 to 3, then between 3 to 4, then 4 to 5, then 5 to 6, then 6 to 7. ये C and C in series, that becomes C by 2, और बाकी सारे आ गए parallel. C by 2, C by 2, C by 2. So 4C plus C by 2, 9C by 2,
yes, sir.
which is 9 by 2 epsilon naught A by D. This is the capacitance between A and B. पहले एक सर्किट के कुछ पॉइंट्स कनेक्टेड थे, now the plates are connected together. Understood? Rahul? एक और एग्जांपल करते हैं. Multiple plates, stack of plates, and the plates are connected together by wire. We have to find the equivalent capacitance. This example is clear, Rahul?
No, sir.
No. ये plates हैं. These are like plates like this. और हमने प्लेट्स को आपस में कनेक्ट किया हुआ है. 1 is connected to 3 is connected to 6. The plates which are connected together will be at same potential. 1, 3 and 6 are connected
Yes, sir.
together, so they will be at same potential, same as A. हमने A को assume कर लिया. 0.1, 0.3, 0.6, they all behave as A. On the other side, B is connected to 2, 4 and 7, so B is same as plate 2, 4 and 7. बचा क्या? 5. 5 is taken in between. Correct? राहुल,
यस सर. सर पर
नंबरिंग
फिर
समझ में आ रही है?
यस सर, वो प्लेट्स वाला पार्ट तो समझ आ गया सर, पर फिर कैपेसिटर्स.
कैपेसिटर कहाँ बनते हैं? कैपेसिटर कहाँ बनते हैं? प्लेट्स के बीच के गैप में. फर्स्ट गैप इज बिटवीन 1 and 2. देयर इज 0.1 एंड हियर इट इज 0.2. 0.1 और 2 के बीच में कैपेसिटर लगाया. फिर 2 to 3, 2 is here, 2 is here and 3 is here. तो 2 और 3 के बीच में सेकंड कैपेसिटर. देन बिटवीन 3 to 4, बिटवीन 3 to 4 से 3 तो आ गए. 1, 2, 3. अब 4 to 5, 5 पॉइंट बीच में था. 4 is here, 5 is here. 4 to 5. Then 5 to 6, 5 to 6, and the last one is between 6 to 7. जितने गैप है हमें उन गैप को बस आइडेंटिफाई करके सर्किट में लगाना है. Each gap is behaving like a capacitor.
ओके सर, अब समझ गया.
ठीक है, डन. चलो, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल जो आपको करना है. फाइंड द कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ दिस प्लेट्स कॉम्बिनेशन 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plate 2 is connected to 5. 1 is connected to 4. Hmm. 1 is connected to 4. Here is A and this point is B. या X Y कर लेते हैं. A is for area. X and Y. Find the capacitance between X and Y in the following circuit. Yes. Right. Calculate the capacitance between A and B, X and Y. Each plate area is A and the distance between two plates is D again. Have now we understood what to do?
Yes, sir.
Five by 7 epsilon naught A by D.
Okay. Let them confirm. Kriti,
So मेरा नहीं आया अभी.
समझ में आया करना क्या है?
यस सर, पहले वाले क्वेश्चन की तरह है ना सर?
Yes, yes. What's the answer?
सर अभी नहीं आया, मैं कर रही हूँ.
Okay. Hmm. Array. Arnav, what is your answer?
1 second.
X is connected only to 1. So there is only 1. Y is connected to only 6. Now, sorry, X is connected to 1 and 4. X is connected to 1 and 4. And Y is connected to 6. Now 2 and 5 connected together. 2 and 5 connected together. And 3 is not connected to anywhere. 3 is a free point. Right. First capacitor is between 1 and 2. 1 is here, 2 is here. First capacitor is between 1 and 2. Then between 2 and 3. Then between 3 and 4. Then between 4 and 5. And then between 5 and 6. This is the circuit. Yes, Suzanne, what's the answer?
So I'm solving.
Okay. इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए बेटे.
Sir, is it 7 by 5C?
कितना?
7 by 5C.
7 by 5 से या 5C by 7?
Yes, sir, 5C by 7.
सीरीज में ये गड़बड़ करते हैं एवरी टाइम. सीरीज में
5C by 7.
So 5 by 7C.
Yes, sir. 5 by 7, sir.
Right. Next is you understood this or should I give more examples?
So can you give more examples?
Okay. So suppose there are these 7 plates. Two is connected to X. 1 is connected to 3, is connected to 5. And find equivalent capacitance between X and Y. Same, each plate has area A and distance between two is small d. Done.
2C होगा क्या?
What is the answer?
सर 2C शायद से.
X is connected to 2 only. Y is 1, 3, 5, and 7. 4 is connected to 6. That will be 1 point. First is between 1 and 2. Then between 2 and 3. Then between 3 and 4. Then between 4 and 5. Then between 5 and 6. And then between 6 and 7. Oh, okay. Between 2 and 4 is nothing.
यस सर, तो ऐसे कंसिडर कर सकते हैं बीच वाले को इग्नोर करके 2C.
तो वो शॉर्ट सर्किट हो जाएगा ना.
ओपन सर्किट हो जाएगा. One end is open. हम इसको भी करते हैं next. That is the next circuit. Open circuit. Because the circuit is not completed, this part will not be working in the circuit. Only these two capacitors are acting, will have charge. Yes. This is called open circuit. ओपन सर्किट को एक अलग केस की तरह भी समझ लेते हैं. अंडरस्टूड. अगर किसी भी कैपेसिटर में द कनेक्शन इज ओनली ऑन वन साइड, द अदर साइड ऑफ कैपेसिटर इज नॉट कनेक्टेड, there will not be any charge going in that capacitor, hence that capacitor can be ignored. Case number 4 अलग से भी देख लेते हैं डिटेल में. What is open circuit? Circuit number 4, I think. शॉर्ट सर्किट होता है जब दोनों टर्मिनल्स को आपस में ज्वाइन कर देते हैं. ओपन सर्किट होता है when only one side of terminal is attached, the other side is open. Suppose these are the 4 points P, Q, R and S. ये कुछ सर्किट में 4 पॉइंट्स हैं. अब अगर हम बैटरी लगाएंगे तो बैटरी किसी 2 पॉइंट में लगाएंगे. ऑब्वियसली बैटरी will be connected between any 2 points. The remaining 2 points will remain as open circuit. Find equivalent capacitance between P and Q first time, and second time you have to find this between P and R. So if suppose we have to find between P and Q, हम वहां पे बैटरी लगा लेते हैं. So when battery is connected between P and Q, these two capacitor terminals, these two terminals remain as hanging terminals. There is, it's not connected to anywhere. So this is open terminal. This is open terminal. In these two capacitors, there won't be any charge going, because if charge goes, it has to come back also into the circuit according to the charge conservation law. Since this path is not complete, charge cannot come back, so there will not be any charge going into these two capacitors. Only this will be the effective circuit.
फोर बाय 11.
How much?
4 by 11.
So 4 by 9.
4 by 11?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what about
C by 3.
what is between P and R?
C by 3.
C by 3. Okay. Yes. This will be C in series, C by 3. C by 3 and C in parallel become 4C by 3. Now we'll find these three in series. Between P and R. Rahul, what is between P and R? Rahul,
यस सर. सर मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ.
जो P और R में कनेक्ट करेंगे तो Q और S वाले हट जाएंगे. These two will be gone. Yes,
C by 3.
C by
3.
3. When you remove these two, this becomes C and C. C by 2, C by 2, C and C. C by 2, C by 2 becomes C, and then C, 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 all three in series become C by 3. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next is fourth, नहीं, fifth. Probably fifth. Wheatstone bridge circuit. Wheatstone bridge is a special arrangement of circuit. ये हम रेजिस्टर में भी पढ़ेंगे, कैपेसिटर में पढ़ ही रहे हैं और आगे इंडक्टर्स में भी पढ़ेंगे. So if there are 5 capacitors such that 4 capacitors are connected along the sides of quadrilateral and fifth is connected in the diagonal. C1, C2, C3, C4 and C5 between A and B. So if there is a 5 capacitor or 5 resistor, any circuit element arrangement such that 4 of them are along the sides and fifth is along the diagonal. This is called as Wheatstone bridge. And if the ratio of capacitances on either side of this diagonal is equal, ये देखने में symmetry लग रही है, but symmetry नहीं, क्योंकि value of capacitor is quite different on the left side and right side. When these ratios are equal, it is called a balanced Wheatstone bridge. Balanced Wheatstone bridge का मतलब P and Q will be at same potential. These diagonals across the diagonal points, it will come at same potential. Same potential means potential difference 0. Potential difference 0 means there will not be any charge. No charge in capacitor C5. तो ये जो बीच में diagonal में capacitor लगा हुआ है, that C5 can be removed from the circuit under this balancing condition only. अगर ratio equal नहीं है तो नहीं हटा सकते. If the ratio is equal on either side, then we can remove this diagonal capacitor. इसको हटा देंगे. Then
Sir, what happened? Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
So what happens if that C1 by C2 equal to C3 by C4 equal to 1?
Then either you can solve by using plane of symmetry. That means basically it is exactly same. Then also the same will be applicable. Obviously ratio is equal whether it is 1 or 2. But if the capacitor on left side and right side, both capacitors are same, then that can also be considered as a vertical plane of symmetry. Right?
Yeah.
Ratio 1 means what? Their value is equal. That can be considered as a vertical plane of symmetry also. But suppose here it is 2 and 3, on the other side 12 and 18. Then it is not symmetry, but it is a Wheatstone bridge that satisfies the balancing condition. When this C5 is removed, then C1, C3 come in one branch, which is in series. C2 and C4 come in one branch, which is also in series. And then both of them are in parallel. Like in this circuit. Find equivalent capacitance between A and B. Ratio equal है 5/10 is equal to 10/20. So it is a balanced Wheatstone bridge. Short form में WSB लिख लेते हैं. This can be removed now. So in the upper branch, 5 and 10 come in series. In the lower branch, 10 and 20 come in series. राहुल समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
राहुल, ईशा, Kanan. You should revise this after the class so that you can understand it better. आप इसको 2-3 दिन बाद करोगे तो थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा कहाँ पे वर्टिकल सिमेट्री, कहाँ पे हॉरिजॉन्टल सिमेट्री, कहाँ पे नंबरिंग मेथड. Now 5 and 10 in series. Apply C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. 1 upon करने में अक्सर हम भूल जाते हैं इन्वर्स करना. C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. ऊपर की ब्रांच में आ गया 10/3. नीचे की ब्रांच में 10 and 20, 10 and 20. C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. That becomes 20/3 microfarad. And both of them are in parallel. So C1 plus C2, 10/3 plus 20/3, which becomes 10 microfarad. This is the equivalent capacitance. Right? But ये बीच वाले को हम हटा तभी पाएंगे when it is balanced. If it is not a balanced Wheatstone bridge, we cannot remove this capacitor. उसके लिए कुछ दूसरे मेथड होते हैं, थोड़े more complicated ones. Right? So there are different forms of Wheatstone bridge that we will do next class. And yes, Friday class is not becoming very productive, as in you are not getting time to ask your doubt. So I have kept, for the time being, that class will be a doubt class, and each one of you are supposed to first send me doubt before the class. After the class, during the class, first we will have doubts, and then if time left, then and doubts will be from any source. It will be from the DPP, so that you have to first attempt your DPP. Attempt DPP plus there are some exercise I gave you in the PDF format of 200
What about
questions.
NCRT?
बेटा NCRT तो करना ही है, but NCRT से ऊपर ही बढ़ना है. SL Arora and then list goes. I have no problem related to the same chapter, same topic. First chapter का शायद एक subjective test फिर से है Sunday को और objective भी होगा in the app. So please do it. Finish it so that Friday you can ask your doubts. After the doubts only, we will be proceeding with syllabus further. Your doubts from the DPP also, the DPP that I have given, those DPPs also you are supposed to solve before the class. Each and every question solving facility is stopped now. That was only for you to come into the initial support was there. Now it should not be done as well, and that much time also we cannot afford to lose. Yes, so as a thumb rule, every day you are supposed to do at least 20 problems on your own. 20 problem solving will not take more than 40 minutes. And all the doubts that you have, XYZ resource, I don't mind, should be corrected with the same topic. So please send all your doubts before the class to me or in the group, anywhere. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.